Welcome to Reason in Paradise. To a great extent, the world we live in, whether we think it good or bad, safe or unsafe, friendly or unfriendly, reflects back to us our perception of it. Put another way, we tend to find what we are looking for. It was the best of times. It was the worst of times. It was the age of wisdom. It was the age of foolishness. It was the epoch of belief. It was the epoch of incredulity. It was the season of light. It was the season of darkness. It was the spring of hope. It was the winter of despair. We had everything before us. We had nothing before us. We were all going direct to heaven. We were all going direct the other way. In short, the period was like the present period. This is Dickens' great opening line in his book, A Tale of Two Cities, and serves as a great introduction to this channel. This channel brings reason and greater awareness to a number of topics, such as social issues with the COVID-19 coronavirus, other social relationship issues, home handyman and home electronics, how-to tutorials, software and hardware engineering projects, and much more, all mixed with a little humor. This channel will evolve as the future unfolds. Interested? Click the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the comments.